Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to connect OTG pen drive in your Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. Here you can see here it is a USB Type C OTG pen drive. So first you have to just tap on the settings of your smartphone. Then friends, you have to click on search and write here OTG, and you will see. If there is not, you can just simply take this external storage and you have to insert in type C port like this. And then friends, you have to open files by Google or file manager, allow this, and here you will see there will be a storage, and here it is written SanDisk 3.2 Gen 1 121 GB, and this is how you can, from here you can copy paste and download any data. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.